There he is. Might be a pretty good one. I don't know what that is. He's a crappie. He might be a good one. Oh yeah, he's a crappie. This old net. There we go. Hey, we've been looking for you, buddy. Oh, I knew there was some in here. Some good ones. Well guys, we're back and everything's looking a lot more deader than it was the last time I was in here, but that's okay. That's what we want. Wintertime is here. Water's getting cold. We got like 54 degrees on the water temperature right now, but we're gonna give them crappie a try. Gonna be slinging that old beetle spin at them with a bobby garland jig and a live minnow and a gold blade. It's kind of customized, but it works for me. I hope it works for you if you try it out. But anyway guys, let's go get them. Well guys, I got me a 12-footer out the back trolling, some 10-footers on each side. These got double jig rigs on it on the deep side. I'll show you right here, just in case. You know, we got two different depths going on there. We got live minnows and jigs on there, and this side we got single jigs and a minnow. And I got me old beetle spin right here, customized beetle spin. That's a gold perforated blade, size 2. I put on them beetle spins. 16th ounce jig head hook. That's a flat headed one. I like the round ones too. They're all good. I like to paint them so it draws attention. Got a bobby garland jig on there. That's a bleeding shad color. And we got a live minnow. And I just cast this beetle spin around while I'm trolling, and I'll catch some extra fish while I'm trolling and fishing. Sometimes I want the beetle spin, sometimes I want some minnows and jigs. So I'll just cast this out there and I fish it like a double jig rig. Let it sink, pull up, let it fall back down. That's all I do with it, just let it sink and fall back down. I don't hardly ever steadily pull it, mainly because it's too fast when you do that. Oh, there he goes. Oh, yep, I lost a little crappie. Look at that. You can almost tell, guys. Look at this. That gold line is the fish, but look, it looks like a drum right up under us, right over in this area. Oh, there, that might be him. Nope, that was crappie. Oh, get him in here. That looked like a keeper. Let's see what we got here. Oh, yeah, he's just a little over 11. Nice white crappie. Yeah, we'll take him. Try this one. There he is, little bitty crappie. Little tiny one. But he jumped on it. Little hater. There he goes. Look at that, guys. He fixed to take off. Oh man, a good one. We'll take him. There he is. All right, let's see what we got here. Pretty crappie. Oh, let me get this off of here. There we go. Another white crappie. He's a pretty one. Yeah, he's pushing 12 1/4. Almost 12 1/4. He's close. We'll take him. These old crappie, they're just trying to walk away with the minnows. They're not very aggressive at all today. But that's okay. You just got to pay attention. That's one reason I like to use these bobbers. Oh, we're getting a little nibble back there. Why I like to use bobbers and the beetle spin. Some days they'll bite better on the jigs, and sometimes they bite better on the beetle spin. If I at least fish both of them, then I got a good chance of getting that stringer of fish. That's what it's all about, getting that stringer of fish. Having fun. Good fish fry to go with it makes it really great. Makes your effort rewarding, very rewarding. There he is. Might be a pretty good one. I don't know what that is. He's a crappie. He might be a good one. Oh yeah, he's a crappie. Get this old net. There we go. Hey, we've been looking for you, buddy. Oh, I knew there was some in here. Some good ones. We just had to keep fishing and find them. Let's see if I can get this hook out of here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Now that's a crappie. Pretty one. Let's see what he's pushing here. A little over 13 and a half. That's a dandy. That's what I'm looking for right there, guys. Nice thick old back on him. Nice solid fish. Yes sir. We'll take him. Well guys, I wanted you to check out my net. It's a PLUSINNO and it's got a big mouth on it. It's got this aluminum beam around it. It's nice and solid. Big mouth. It's got rubber coating on it, and this baby floats. That's what I like about that thing. You're not going to run off and lose this net unless you just drop it and don't know you dropped it in the water. But this thing will float all over the place. It's not going to sink. It's got a floating handle and a floating device around here. Really really nice to have. I've lost a lot of nets over the years, kids poking them in the water and they just sink to the bottom and stuff. But anyway guys, if you are interested in this net, you can check it out under the video in the description box under PLUSINNO landing net. Yep, there he goes. He was going for a minute. There he is. I don't know if he's big enough. He looks, well, I don't know. Let's see. Easy. Yeah, he might be a 10-incher. I don't know. He's borderline. Oh no, he's over 10. Oh, over 10. We'll take him. There he goes. I didn't even see him. And he might be a little smaller than the other. But at least we got him. Yeah, he's probably about a 9-inch or so. We're gonna take a peek and see. 9.5, but he's gone. Here we go. Oh man, he's a good one. Pretty good. Double jig rig. Double jig rig. That's a good one. We'll take a peek. I bet he's about 12 or so. Yeah, I'm close. He is really close to 12. Okay, we'll take him. There he goes. There he is. Oh yeah. Come on in here. Oh, I lost him. That wasn't no good. I tried to pull him in. I should have got my net. Well, that was a good spot. There you go. You got him. Gotta get him in. Come on, buddy. I better use a net this time. I lost one that last time. Just get it under him anyhow. There you go. He's just a little guy. He probably ain't even long enough. He's a black crappie. They're a little shorter than the white crappies. But yeah, he probably is. Let's see. Oh yeah, he's over 10. We'll take him. Well guys, today I'm using an Garcia MAX X10 Lite spinning reel, 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, pretty quick, keeps up with them crappie pretty good. I got her spooled with 6-pound test high vis Mr. Crappie fishing line, and I'm using a Shakespeare Micro Series. This is a 5'6" rod. It's got a good sensitive tip, got a good backbone to set the hook and fight the fish. I do good on bass and other fish, plus crappie. Does really good. Brim, I use it for brim fishing also, but you can get a 7-footer in this same rod if you want. But anyway guys, I'm going to put links down below the video in the description box for both of these Amazon links, and you can check them out. How about back in this way a little bit? Oh, there he is. We got him. Let's flip him in here. There we go. Yeah, he's a little beat up on us bottom fin, but he's probably still bigger. He's beat up. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. He's a little over 11. He's got a little battle scar. I'm gonna let him heal up later. Oh man, almost got hung up there. That looks like a good spot. Looks pretty good. There he is. Oh, good fish. And hang on to him this time. Let's see what that is. I don't know what that is. Wow, he's a fighter. Making circles. Oh, it's a big drum. Well, I should have known I was gonna get one of them guys. These old drums, I just don't get it. They're always beat up in all these other lakes, but this lake they're always pretty. I don't understand it. They're always real pretty in here. Let's not have no predators or nothing in here. He's a good one. Man, he's pretty. Look at that. Pretty good drum there. Yeah, on the length on him, he's probably, just to check him out, he's 18.5. Pretty one. Later. That was a good bite. Oh, what is that? I don't know what that is. Maybe a drum. He's a fighter. Yep, another drum. Drum number 2. Easy. I'm gonna have to get my net. They're gonna break my line. Scoop them up here. I got you now. You get that finger and thumb in there and just pinch, just touch your thumb like and finger like that. You got him. He won't flip out of your hand then. You can't hardly lift these guys. Later. Pretty good looking spot. Oh, well, we're on a link. See what that gets me. Oh. Ah, that's a good fish, whatever that is. Easy. Gotta be a drum. Crappie would have done surfaced. Yep. Another drum. Well, the drums are still biting. They're still hanging out. There we go. Yeah, they are pretty in here. I don't get it. Everywhere else they're beat up.